Hey everybody, it's Miriam Kelly here. I'm here this Saturday at this open house. It's at 30910 Burleigh Drive in Wesley Chapel, the Tampa area of Meadow Point 2. So this home features 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. I'm actually in one of the bedrooms. I tried to do live stream, but for some reason it wasn't working, so I'm actually recording this. But here's one of the first bedrooms of the 4. Actually, the 3rd bedroom can be an office or a bedroom, whichever you would like to do. So it has a little alcove hallway. The house features tile, carpet, and wood floors throughout. This is the first bathroom. Has a large shower with a large vanity mirror, nice light fixtures. Now we're going into the 2nd bedroom, freshly painted. Again, nice size bedroom. Double door closet, another nice window, so there's lots of lighting. We're going to come down the hallway to the entryway, or the foyer, as some would like to say. There's some nice features in here. So now as you come into the house, it opens up into a very large open floor design living room. Family room, TV room, whatever you'd like to call it, all-purpose room. And then here is the dining room, again, with another large window, and painted in a nice neutral color. You can see that this dining set sits 6, so it's pretty spacious. Another nice large window. So the house has a nice flow about it. Then as you enter the kitchen, it has a nice coffee bar, fresh white cabinets with new handles. Opens up into the great room. It also has a breakfast nook. These windows at the back of the house is really nice because it gives you a view of the conservation area in the back. Florida living at its best. Then we come back through here. This is the living room, family room, multi-purpose room, whatever you want to use it for. And here's a nice feature, decorative feature on the wall. So this entertainment sort of gives you a perspective of the size of the room. Now we're going to come through here, and this is your master suite. Again, nice size bedroom with the high ceilings, large window that overlooks the back of the house. And we're going to go into the master bathroom that has a double vanity, large mirror, large walk-in shower, a linen closet, and it has 2 closets. 2 walk-in closets in the bathroom and a lovely soaking tub. The nice high ceilings. So there's throughout most of the living space, there's some very neutral color. The house has been freshly painted, as you can tell. But this definitely has a nice footprint of a home that could easily be made into your home. You can make the changes that you'd want to make in it. So as we walk back through here, it's a perspective of going back through to the front door. And here is the 4th bedroom that could also be an office space, a den, guest room, however you would want to use it. Again, these bedrooms here are nice size, nice ceiling fans. This home's been well maintained. And then there is an indoor laundry room. The washer and dryer comes with this home. So now I'm going to take you out back. So if you're not from Florida and you're thinking about moving here, the asking price for this home is $274,990. They just reduced the price just a couple days ago. So the owners of this home have finally become empty nesters and they're downsizing to a villa style home. So that's the reason they're selling it. But they moved here from the East Coast, northeast coast a few years ago, and now that their children are finally out of the house and out on their own, they want to again downsize to a smaller community. Okay, so this is the screened in Lanai. It's completely screened in. Features stepping stones back here, nice high ceilings, has a ceiling fan. Awesome space and area to entertain, as you can see. This outdoor dining set sits 6 so that you can sort of get a perspective of how you could use the space. Then you come out here. They've carried the pavers to the outside as well. And you have a fire pit and another beautiful space that you can sit out here, or you could sunbathe. It's completely fenced all the way around. And then has a lower fence that's opened up so that you can enjoy this conservation area in the back. So that means that you won't have any neighbors behind you. They won't be building back there. And you can hear the birds, and it's just really beautiful. This is like Florida at its best. It's a nice size backyard. And also there is a gate that leads to the front of the house. So that's pretty much it for this home. If you have any questions, you can message me below. If you like this video, hit like, subscribe, and come back and see me again. And take care and have a lovely weekend. Talk to you guys later. Bye.